Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the phishing report feature in Microsoft Outlook. Maintaining online safety involves recognizing and reporting suspicious activity, and Outlook makes this easy with a dedicated add-in. I will walk you through the entire process to help you strengthen your email security. First, open Microsoft Outlook. If you are not already on your main page, navigate to the official site via your web browser, which is usually part of the Microsoft 365 suite. Once the site loads, you will see the sign-in screen. Look toward the top right corner for the login button if you are not already signed in. Click it and enter your email address and password, making sure to use the credentials for your specific Outlook account. After signing in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From here, click on New Mail, which is generally located in the upper section of the screen. While we are not sending a message, opening this window provides the toolbar required for the next steps. Next, look at the top right of the toolbar for an icon representing apps or add-ins. This area houses extra features to improve your workflow. Click that icon and select Get Add-ins from the resulting menu. In the new window, locate the search bar and type Phishing to see the available tools. We are looking for the one called Bastion Report Phishing, which is specifically built for reporting these threats. Click on it to see more information about how the tool functions. To finish, click the Add button to install the feature into your account. This integrates the tool directly into your interface, so you can report phishing attempts quickly and safely. You are now better equipped to handle threats right from your inbox. Thanks for watching this guide, and stay safe.